Hello, this is Trent Speck here. I'm talking on behalf of MIT 885. This is the finale, the final video of the master's degree for instructional technology, and it's also titled The Biggest Challenge. I really have a lot of biggest challenges. I think the biggest thing for me is to address them all and then talk about the solutions to handle them. So I do have four that I kind of wrote down, and the biggest one for me was an APA challenge or the APA style. And I've worked with it in college, but I guess I wasn't that good. And, I know Dr. Jones and me work together. And I'm sure a lot of other people have that biggest challenge. So I think continuing to grow and learn and being able to teach it. So I think when I work with high school kids and help them through it and kind of do a project for personal finance class where they have to write or type and they have to use APA style or MLA and kind of go back and forth. I know more colleges are going to more APA, and I think that will help get them ready for college and get them ready to learn how to type or write. So that's something for me is being able to teach it so it shows me how to learn it and also helps me keep it active. So the next one is time frame. That was another biggest challenge. I started the master's program in June of 2017 and I finished in July of 2018. I took 12 classes in 4 semesters, and I think that was a challenge. Me, or Dr. Jones and myself talked about it when we did the 30-minute meeting, and I think the biggest thing for me is kind of going through the program so fast. You absorb it, but not like you should, like not where you can actually teach it and kind of grow slower, where instead of all so fast. So I think that was the biggest challenge for me, and that kind of leads into my number 3 and 4, the biggest challenges. As I grow and learn with technology, I think making sure that technology does not become the focal point. Yes, technology is awesome. It's a great tool to use. And that goes to my technology philosophy. If you looked at my portfolio, I can't let it become the focal point. And then that kind of bleeds into the last one. At the same time, it can become the focal point, but I got to use it. And I think all of us at least have done one assignment where we've talked about how technology has changed the game and about how teachers get stuck in their ways and they don't want to learn and they just want to do what they've done for the last 15 years. And they never really progress with being able to teach. And you find some of those teachers struggle with this younger generation of trying to reach them and help grow them and mold them and get them on the right path to being a great citizen and being a great student. And I think that kind of comes down to being able to reach them. So, yes, technology can't become the focal point, but it also, you have to be able to use it and grow and use it when you can. And maybe that's going to reach some other student that you might not have reached before. So overall, I appreciate everyone that's been in the class with me. I do plan on going up to graduation either in December or next spring. I hope to meet you guys in person and tell you guys a job well done and congrats. But for now, this will have to do. Congrats on everyone's hard work and perseverance. And good luck this coming up school year, or good luck in other people's endeavors if you aren't teaching. So I appreciate all the comments and the support as a class and as a group. So like I said, for now, that is my biggest challenges, and I appreciate all the Fort Hays State University department master's program, kind of the professors that helped us through this. So I appreciate it. Good luck in the future for everyone. Thanks again. Bye.